Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Lonkina and I'm a professional belly dancer, teacher and choreographer. I've been in this art already since 2010. So all the videos you will find here are divided into different playlists. One of them is dedicated to my belly dance lessons, where you will find a lot of tutorials. And there I explain a lot of stuff about dance technique, combinations, costumes and so on. In the playlist Anna Lonkina Professional Belly Dancer you will find a huge quantity of videos with my performances and videos with my workshops where I teach students from all around the world. Moreover, you may watch choreographies I teach them at my workshops. I am experienced in organizing belly dance concerts, parties, workshops, festivals, so here you will find quite many performances of my students as well. For those who want to know a bit more about my belly dance career, you may watch video interviews here on my YouTube channel, which were previously filmed on TV shows. So please enjoy. Sure you will find much helpful stuff here. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.